So apparently some Uber passengers are being asked to pay extra for air conditioning. This is a wild story, is that Uber drivers are now charging passengers for AC. So before we jump into this wild update and how fitting it is and how important this discussion really is, if you're looking for a new way to make money, there was an incredible opportunity to do so right here on YouTube by creating a faceless YouTube channel. This is one of my pages. The past 365 days, it has brought in over 130,000 bucks. Some months bringing in over 30 grand, 20,000. And you know, this just changed my life. So far this year, I made over 10 grand a month. Last year, 10 grand a month. It was how I was able to buy this house using the faceless YouTube channel method. If you want to learn how to do it, click the link below, and once you sign up for the 30-day free trial, no risk, no obligation, can cancel anytime, you will unlock all of the material and actually step guide you to create your own faceless YouTube channel to start making thousands of dollars per month. So click the link below, get that 30-day free trial because it will be ending very soon, probably by the end of the month, so hurry up. And now let's jump in. Uber passengers are being asked to pay extra for air conditioning. A cab driver's note, Uber driver's note, seemingly asking Uber passengers to pay extra for air-conditioned rides outside of the standard fare has drawn social media attention. It's going viral because it's kind of funny, but it's also kind of not, because Uber drivers just, they don't, I mean, if you're really providing free AC, it's like, that's cutting into your profits, because where does AC comes from? Comes from gas. Yeah, if you're running your AC like, you know, full blast, y'all gotta pay extra for that. I mean, come on. I'm only getting paid $3 for this ride. If you want me to blast AC the whole time, that's probably using up more than $3 in gas, right? So this is what the sign read. Dear Uber customer, don't force drivers to commit blankety blank and end themselves, basically, by demanding AC. The company has already broken our backs with 30-40% commission, the message reads. Said Tandon in her post said the commission is too much. According to the note, a driver's representative body has demanded that the rates be lowered, and until they are revised, passengers are expected to support the AC-related countermeasure. Should you require AC, you will have to pay an additional $5 for each kilometer, it concludes. While at times, so basically an extra $5 per mile. I don't know, this is in a different country, I don't know what the exchange rate is, but it says, while Times Now cannot independently verify the contents of the message, it follows several reported instances of cab drivers refusing to turn on the AC. So a lot of drivers are just refusing to turn the AC on because it's like, I get it. If you're driving and you're only making $4, if you want to blast the AC the whole time you're sitting in traffic, it's like, in the back of your head, you're like, dang, this AC, like the money I'm making for this ride, I'm basically just using it to pay for gas and AC. So it's like, bruh. Anyways, let me know your thoughts with this one, and would you charge for AC? And again, check out my faceless YouTube channel course down below. Again, there's a 30-day free trial right now, so you can try it out for 30 days. A lot of people are trying it out. And if you don't like it, you can cancel. This is just last year, 2023. I made over 120,000 bucks. So far this year, I'm averaging over 10,000 bucks a month. A lot of days bringing in over $1,000. And some months, you know, 30 grand a month, 20 grand a month. This is just one of my pages. I have several of them. The past 365 days, that's 130 grand. Guys, faceless YouTube channels, that's how I was able to buy this house. That's how I was able to really get out of the rat race, the Uber driver race, the Lyft driver race, the gig app race, minimum wage job race. Got me out of credit card debt, stopped me from doing frickin' $35 overdraft fees, stopped me from having a car loan. I don't have a car loan anymore. I don't have any credit card debt. I have a mortgage now. That's my biggest debt, which is kind of funny because I was just telling my friend the other day, I was like, dude, I have $1 million loan. Like, I owe the bank $1 million. Luckily, my house is worth over like $1.5 million. I mean, online it says it's worth over 1.6. So, you know, I have around $600,000 of equity in the house, but it's like, at the end of the day, I still have $1 million loan, which is kind of funny. But anyways, Little side tangent there. If you want to join my course right now, there's a 30-day free trial that will be ending very soon, probably at the end of the month. So check it out, try it out. If you don't like it, you can cancel. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. God bless. Talk to you soon. Bye now.